Changing the email link to your Cash App account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account balance at the top right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select email. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled email or personal information. Tap on it to proceed to the email management section. Step 4. Update your email. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the email is correct. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new email, you may need to verify it through a confirmation email sent to the new address. Follow the instructions in that email to finalize the update. Once you've completed these steps, your Cash App account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Cash App support for assistance.